See that?
Correct time, right?
Very clear. This is the property we are staying. We enjoyed the stay. We are going back to Bangalore. The travel never ends. We are enjoying the fantastic view of Nilgiris, the blue mountains. Our second day in Logan Camp, Ooty. We came for a walk. We climbed up a hill nearby to watch the 360-degree view of Nilgiris. This is Naveen. Welcome back to another episode of Tint and Travel. Continue watching Tint and Travel. Morning vibes from Logan Camp. Next day morning. Pleasant morning. Sun is about to rise. Nice. We are going for a morning walk.
Yes. It is.
Temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. But not feeling, right?
Yeah.
We came to this tea garden. Now climbing up this small mountain. Wow, very nice weather.
Yeah. Oh, awesome weather, right?
Right. I thought we will miss this
Yeah.
because we slept very late yesterday. We'll go round, right?
Yes.
Not wearing the cap.
No. Wow. So clear, right?
So clear. We can see all the mountains.
Yeah.
No mist at all. Oh, see the other side.
Yeah.
Sun. 6:28
Is the
is
sun?
sunrise.
What's time now?
6:15.
Oh.
I don't think we can see, right?
Yeah. We can.
Don't know. Show you the aerial view from here. Wow. Very nice, right? See back?
Wow.
Nice, right?
Nice. Beautiful.
Come. Shami, that side it is cloudy.
Oh.
So I don't think we can see
Oh.
sun.
Anyway, let's see.
Ultimate view.
Oh.
See, this is the other side. From here we can see the 360-degree view. All the sides. Wow.
This side one color, that side one color.
It's better than Doddabetta, right?
Yeah. Is it a peacock?
I think so. Our second day in Logan Camp, Ooty. We came for a walk. There is a beautiful mountain here. We came on the top of this to watch the 360-degree view of Nilgiris. Not able to see sun because of cloudy weather this side. See, this looks like the advertisement of tea dust, right? Kannan Devan tea.
Yeah.
Now we are going through the tea plantation. From here, completely different view.
Mm. Oh, sun is coming. See, 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 see. Wow.
Wow, at last. Beautiful scene, right?
Yeah.
Shall we go top?
I think from here only we can.
Yeah, we can see, right?
Yeah.
Nice. Wow.
Correct time, right?
Correct time.
Wow.
Told
see,
you, right?
see how it is
Wow,
coming.
it's going up.
We can feel, right?
We can feel that. Can we go the other side? Come.
Yeah.
Wow, come Shimmy. Perfect view from here. This will be a
Oh.
great miss. Right?
Superb. Yeah.
Wow, it's going up. Going up very fast, right?
Yeah.
We can feel that heat, right?
Yes.
Ultimate. See, this front camera is not that great. You can't see sun background. Right?
Mm.
Now we are witnessing a fantastic view from here. See that? Wow. Oh, it reached top.
Mm.
Yummy. Wow. Witnessing the fantastic beauty of Nilgiris. Now we are going back from here after spending awesome time. Now the look completely changed, right?
Yes.
With sun. We are enjoying the fantastic view of Nilgiris, the Blue Mountains. We watched the sunrise at 6:28. Now time is around 6:40. It is very bright atmosphere now. Come, we'll go.
Yeah.
This side become blue, right? Completely blue. Blue sky. So this is the way, right?
Mm.
We came through this way only, right?
I think so. Wait.
That is peacock only.
But we can't see.
Can't see. See, sun is there, this side. We came around.
I think it is there
Yeah.
somewhere. It is there.
I'm not able to see.
Oh, it will be hiding. Yeah. It is there.
Where?
Oh, no. That is small bird. I thought it is.
See, Shami? See the view from here?
No.
Wow.
Oh, it is slippery. Feeling hungry. Yesterday's dinner was not that good.
Yeah.
And now feeling hungry.
Nice. We are enjoying the fantastic view of Nilgiris and the tea garden. Keep watching Tint and Travel. We are back. Nice, right?
Yeah.
Very clear.
That time, right?
What? How was yesterday night?
Yeah. Too hot, too warm, too cold,
Why?
too uncomfortable.
Why?
I literally removed one of my t-shirts and slept in the night. When I was wearing two t-shirts, I was like so sweating. There that sunrise was super. You want to go and see? Not sunrise, the tea plantation. Yeah, obviously.
Want to go again?
Yeah.
Then come.
You tea.
We'll go the other side. Liked it. Nanda, you want to go to tea garden?
Yes.
We'll go from the other side.
Okay.
Not on the top. The down side.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Come. See the vapor?
Whoa. How is that coming?
Because of sun.
Oh, nice.
Peacock are there all around.
Oh, really? Can't see them. You can see just only hear their chirping, that's all.
So this is the property we are staying.
Yeah.
Logan Camp. This is not a resort or a hotel, but more than that.
Yeah. The plantation to be more. there. See?
Everywhere plantation. Here,
Yeah.
here.
Surrounded by plantations. Ooh,
Is strawberry cultivation.
strawberry.
Yeah.
Peppa Pig likes strawberry.
See inside, I don't know whether you can see that. Red fruit,
Yes.
the berries you can see.
Yeah.
I don't know whether it is visible in the camera.
I don't think so. They can see.
It's through the net. I don't think they can see.
Yeah. See, all these are strawberry cultivation.
Oh, all of these are strawberry cultivation.
Yeah.
Ah,
You can see from here outside.
really?
There is no entry. They won't allow us to enter inside.
I think a river is near us. You can hear
Yeah.
the gushing sound of water.
So let's go for breakfast.
Yes.
Time is 8:30.
Yes.
Okay. After breakfast, we'll check out and start our journey back to Bangalore.
Yes.
You need to reach early. Tomorrow you have school.
Yeah. Just with the butter, see?
You want bread? Nanda will be back, okay?
Okay.
Done with breakfast. Now we will go to reception and clear our bills. Then we will check out. See. Now all the formalities done. Now we need to go to horse ride, right? Done, Nanda?
Now.
How was the property, Nanda?
Loved it. Yeah.
Surrounded by beautiful sceneries.
And mountains.
Enjoyed it, right?
Yeah.
We enjoyed the stay here. Had a nice breakfast.
How was the breakfast?
Breakfast was also good, right?
Yeah. No probs.
But the dinner?
Dinner, okay. It's
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Not that
Yeah.
great, right?
Dinner was okay. And we enjoyed the climate of Ooty. Right? It's a winter. Due to rain, the temperature was not that low. It reached till 10 degrees Celsius yesterday night
Oh my god.
or today morning, right?
Today morning. Yesterday night it was 13.
Yesterday night it was 13. Yesterday night it was 13 and early morning it was 10 degrees Celsius.
My goodness. Yikes. Gives the cutscene.
Time for,
Horse ride.
here we can see the horse. எவ்வளோ ஹோர்ஸ் இருக்கு சார்?
டிஃப்ரெண்ட் அது
இது
எங்க ரெண்டு இருக்கு
Oh, there are 4 horses there, so we can avail the horse ride. We need to pay the additional charges for that. Going to try horse riding. Need to pay additional charges for that. Since it is available here, thought of having a try. Selfie time.
Yes.
Yeah.
Background is good.
Will take this one.
Selfie time. Now time is 9:30. We will check out from here soon. We are waiting for doing the horse riding.
Christmas, spreading good cheer, my wish list. Finally here, it's Christmas. Rest of the year I miss this. Christmas time is here.
அதில் இருக்காப்புல வச்சுருக்காரு கொஞ்சம் லூஸ் left side
Like this, huh?
yes. Little bit tight
A little bit tight. Very stop, break.
That horse doesn't
So
look
horse
friendly.
riding is done. Now we will start from here. We are checking out. After a wonderful stay, we are going back to Bangalore.
Yes.
With this, I'm ending this episode here. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Stay tuned for the upcoming episodes. The travel never ends.